Welcome to the bonus advanced tips video. By this time, you should have seen all the previous 6 full-body detox protocols. Advanced tip number 1. Strengthen your gut. Heavy metals can damage the probiotic colonies in your digestive tract. Take an advanced probiotic every day to strengthen and support your gut. Tip number 2. Use supportive therapies. Chiropractic adjustments, massage, deep breathing, meditation, acupuncture, and getting enough sleep all help the cleansing process. Tip number 3. Supplement with aloe. Aloe vera contains essential nutrients, enzymes, and amino acids that detoxes, stimulate your immune system, and soothe stress. Tip number 4. Replace your fillings. Amalgam fillings contain toxic mercury that can leak continuously into the body. Replace them safely. Tip number 5. Avoid aluminum. It's used in these everyday products, and it's especially toxic to the liver, kidneys, brain, and thyroid.